Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to set the date and time manually on your SHARP QLED TV. So we need to go to all settings. Now after that we need to go to system, go to date and time, and here we have the automatic date and time. We need to turn it off. Now here we have the set date. Here we can change it to, let's say, 18th of May 2027. Now click OK. It should be saved, and here we can also do the same with the time. So let's say it'll be 2 p.m. Now let's click OK, and it's all saved. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.